We're once again coming to you from the National Conference on Human Rights. It's day one. We've heard from President Ramaphosa at the opening, as well as the Chief Justice Zondo, speaking to us as the theme for 3 decades of democracy and ensuring and promoting that human right that South Africa fought for in the dawn of democracy. One of the issues that we spoke on earlier was on land reform in the country, quite a contentious issue in South Africa, as well as one that is emotive as many try to ensure that they are able to legally have rights on lands that were taken from them in past racial and segregation laws. I want to bring in one community member who is here representing a community that has been trying to restitute their land. Mr. Malinda, thank you for speaking to us. Can we start with which community do you represent, and what is the process been for your community on ensuring that they get back the rights of their land?
By coming here, you will note that we have made to lodge the claims in terms of the Restitution Act of 1994, which is the same community of Wachirundu did that. But unfortunately, even up to today, when we are talking, we did not have any title deed to any part of that portion of land. You will remember, we are claiming more than 44,000 hectares of land. That land is under foreign ownership. Now we have been struggling for quite a long time. There is no way. But I understand that by speaking with our Honorable Minister Thoko Didiza, she knows us. We have been in her office several times. The Provincial Commissioner, Mr. Mapoto, knows us. A National Commissioner, Gobodo, knows us. But there is no progress. By attending this Human Rights National Conference, I understand and hope that when we contact the minister, when we are back in Limpopo, when we contact our Honorable Minister, she will talk with her counterparts, Provincial Commissioner Mapoto, the National Commissioner Gobodo, so that they can escalate this matter to finality. We are tired, but we understand that we still have confidence in our government to say things the other day will come right. And the Chirundu community, they will be happy when they can possess the title deed for all that properties, which is waiting more than 44,000 hectares.
How long has this process been for the community?
No, it's quite a long time. If you count from 1998 up until 2024, it's quite a long time. Some of the properties have been referred to the Land Claims Court. We have been in court. We know what is happening there. But okay, tell me, how can one do a referral to the Land Claims Court when you know that the landowners, some are not objecting? Why can't we go to that one who is objecting and then we leave the others? The others, we give them opportunity to negotiate with us because we have rains there. We have graves there to prove that that land belongs to the Chirundu community. And we are the same people, we are a community. I would like maybe this conference to make sure that when we go back to Limpopo, in Musina, Chirundu, we'll liaison with our Honorable Minister so that we can get our land claim of Chirundu community to be escalated to finality.
I want to ask you with regards to the responses that you were getting from the Provincial Commissioner and the National Commissioner. What has been their responses and why has there been these delays?
No, you know, sometimes they took up the researchers, they say no, they are researching. Once the researcher now recommend that no, you are a tenant community, you are not a clan, you are not but okay, what qualifies one to be the community? We have been taken from pillar to post by the Provincial Commissioner. I hope he understands by now when I'm talking that when we come there, we are not there not to get assistance from me. We want his help, the Provincial Commissioner. Also with his counterpart at the National Office, we want their support. Once we talk with the minister, we hope and understand that the attitude that we have been getting, now it will be another 10. They will take and get us with their both hands so that we have a good way forward in this. Because you cannot have a human rights conference when people don't have land. I'm talking about land. I'm so serious about land. And I will leave no stone unturned up until the Hachirundu community, they get their land, Hachirundu back.
Thank you so much, and I hope that you do find a finality for you and your community in this regard specifically. This is, just one community that we're speaking on the land reform issues in South Africa, illustrating their frustrations that they found in trying to lay claim and get their rights and ensure that they are the legal owners of that land, saying that they've been trying from 1998 for a land that they have grave sites on of their family members, saying that they've been going from pillar to post, from provincial to national as well, and says that right now the land is owned by foreign owners right now, that they've had no joy with regards to any finality from the Land Claims Court as well. This is just one of the human rights issues that has been under the spotlight here at the National Conference of Human Rights. It is celebrating and under the theme of 3 decades or 30 years of democracy, ensuring that they promote and highlight the human rights that South Africa has currently.